Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online Spring and Easter card class for March 2023. In this class, we will be creating 6 Easter or Springtime handmade cards with your choice of stamp set. I will be showing the spritzing masking technique along with coloring tips. I will be making my cards with the Easter Bunny stamp set and the Rejoice in Him stamp set. And I also think that the Playing in the Rain bundle would be a really good set to use for these cards as well. You can choose which set you want to use or pick one that you already own. Look for a spring themed and lined drawn image that you can color. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class with beautiful cards. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. I am excited to share these cards with you, so let's go check them out now. Here are the cards we will be making together in this class. You can notice the spritzing masking technique in the background of the cards, as well as this fun paper that will also be included in your kit. I love how easy these cards are to switch to using other stamp sets, so you're welcome to use a stamp set that you already own. These cards with this image are from the Rejoice in Him stamp set, and then the bunny is from the Easter Bunny stamp set. I think they turned out so cute, and the colors are perfect for Easter and spring. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog, and the link is below. This class will run from Monday, March 13th through Saturday, March 18th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or they can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35, and you can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Saturday, February 25th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include card bases, cardstock, and envelopes, 3 6x6 sheets, 1 in each color of the textured shimmer paper, 3 6x6 sheets, 1 in each of the patterns of the vellum basics, 2 Stampin' Spritzers, and a full pack of in-color opal rounds. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the spritzers and gems. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog, and the link is below in the description. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you're able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay video along with the written PDF instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You're going to need to choose a stamp set. I will be showing how to create the cards with the Easter Bunny stamp set and the Rejoice in Him stamp set. I also think that these cards would be really cute using the Playing in the Rain bundle, which includes the Playing in the Rain stamp set and the Playing in the Rain dies. You will also want to have the Tuxedo Black Memento ink and some masks. And I'm going to be using the Artistic Mix decorative masks. You're also going to need some dies, and I'm using the Stylish Shape dies. I really love that they have different shapes within one pack, and they have this great stitching on both the inside and outside of those dies, making them really versatile. You will want to have a pick-a-punch, and I'm going to be using the Happy Labels pick-a-punch, but you could also use any of the other styles as well. Because we're going to be spritzing, you're going to need some refill ink, and I'm going to be using the Crumb Cake and Balmy Blue colors. You could choose a different blue or light brown colors if you don't have those particular colors. And then you're going to need a bunch of different Stampin' Blend markers. And I'm just going to tell you the colors really quickly. You're going to need Balmy Blue, Crumb Cake, Petal Pink, Fresh Freesia, Daffodil Delight, Calypso Coral, and Granny Apple Green. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye!